Welcome to Science and Engineering World, where we practice mathematics, more mathematics, much more mathematics. Let's go to the classroom. In this presentation, we want to look at a practical example of simultaneous equations. My name is Olutola Fakehinde. In mathematics, when we have an equation, we always have a variable to solve. However, if we have two variables, then we will need two equations to be able to solve these variables together and get solutions for each one of them. For example, if 4 plums and 8 apples are costing $20, there's no way we can have the cost of an apple or the cost of a plum separately, because this is just one equation with two variables. So we need another equation like this with 2 plums and 5 apples equals to $8 to be able to solve this completely. With this, we can solve these two equations simultaneously. That is, solving them together side by side. And we can now abbreviate plum to be P, apple to be A, and get an expression in this form. That is 4P plus 8A equals to 20, and 2P plus 5A equals to 8. This can be solved simultaneously to be able to obtain a price for apple and a price for the plum. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and press the notification button at the same time so that you can see the videos as we post them, and then you are encouraging us to take this to other parts of the world by sharing with others so that it will continue to spread. And I really appreciate you for doing this. Now let us look at a very good example of how to solve a simple simultaneous equation using elimination and substitution methods. In this example, we have an expression like this with x and y. And like I said earlier, we need another expression to be able to solve x and y completely. So with this expression here, we can take the two of them together and solve for the values of x and y with simultaneous equation involving elimination and substitution methods. The two expressions as they are might look a little bit complex because of the fractions involved. However, they're very simple. So let us go into the solution. The first thing I always want to do looking at this is to make the two equations to look very similar. And how is that? By putting the variables on one side and putting the constants on the other side. X over 6 plus y over 3 equals 22 over 6. Now this expression is good because you have the variables on one side and the constant on the other side. But the second expression needs to be rearranged. We have 2x over 3 minus 3y over 5 plus 41 over 15. Now, for 41 to go on to the other side, for 41 over 15 to go on the other side, we need to take it away from this side. So we take away 41 over 15. And because we are taking it away from this side, we need to take it away from this side as well. So minus 41 over 15. Now let's call this expression 1. Then now with this taking away 41 over 15, we have 41 over 15 minus 41 over 15 will be equal to 0 on the left hand side, and then 0 minus 41 over 15 will remain as 41 minus 41 over 15. That is 2x over 3 minus 3y over 5 equals to minus 41 over 15. Equation 2. Now we have these two expressions. Number 1 is x over 6 plus y over 3 equals 22 over 6. And the second expression is 2x over 3 minus 3y over 5 equals minus 41 over 15. We can eliminate the denominators for both of them by looking for the common factors. Now for this first one, we have the common factor will be 6, so we're going to write x over 6 multiplied by 6 plus y over 3 multiplied by 6 to be equal to 22 over 6 multiplied by 6. And this will give us 6. We take away 6 here and 6. Then we have x plus 3 will go in 6 2 times, so we have 3 here and here 2. So we now have plus 2y, and then equals to 6. We cancel 6 there, and we now have 22. In the second expression, we have here the common factor will be 15, so we're going to have 2x over 3 times 15 minus 3y over 5 times 15 equals to minus 41 over 15 times 15. We see 3 will go in 15 5 times, and this will give us 5 times 2, that's 10x. Then 5 will go in 15. 5 will go in 15 3 times. So we now have 9y. 3 times 3, 9y will be equal to 15 will go in 15 one time. That's 1. And so we now have here equals to minus 41. So we can write this out simultaneously. We now have here x minus plus 2y equals to 22. And the second, call this equation 3. And the second one will be 10x minus 9y equals minus 41. So call this equation 4. So we now have these two expressions, equation 3 and 4, and then we want to be able to solve for, oh dear, this is 10x, not 10, 10x, okay, 10x minus 9y. So the two equations are x plus 2y equals 22. So the second one is 10x minus 9y equals minus 41. We will still keep them as equation 3 and 4. And 4. Now, to solve this expression, we need to eliminate one and substitute in the other one. A good way of doing this is, first of all, if you look at the equation 3 and equation 4, the first term there, this equation 3 is just x, and equation 4 we have 10x. So if you multiply equation 3 by minus 10, you multiply equation 3 by minus 10, then we will see that if we add it to the second equation, the x will cancel. So we are eliminating x to find y. So in this case, we can now say 10x minus 10x. So we must multiply the whole of the equation by minus 10x. So we now have minus 10x minus 2 times 10 is minus 20y equals to 22 times minus 10 will give us minus 220. Now, if we take away, let's call this equation 5. Now, subtracting equation 5, or now adding equation 4 and 5 together, we are going to have, adding equation 4 and 5 together, we see that 10x take away minus 10x. And we now have minus 9y minus 20y will give us minus 29y. And this will be equal to minus 41 minus 220 will give us minus 261. Finding y from here, minus 29y over minus 29 will be equal to minus 261 divided by minus 29. Minus 29 over minus 29 will give us 1. So we have 1 there. And so we now say that y equal to minus, we cancel minus to give us plus, and then 261 over 29 is 29 times 9 will give us 29 times 9 will give us 81, and then we bring 8 here. 2 times 9 will be 18 plus 8, 261. So 261 divided by 29 is going to give us 9. So y is 9. Remember, we've done elimination, first eliminating x out and finding y. Now we want to find x, and we now substitute the y into the expression 3. So this is why it is called elimination and substitution method. Our equation 3 is x plus 2y equals 22. Now we substitute y equals to 9. So we now have x plus 2 times 9 equals to 22. X 2 times 9 is 18 equals to 22. So we need x. So in order to find x, we have to take this 18 away from the left hand side. So we are going to have x plus 18 minus 18, and we must take that 18 away from this side as well. So that's 22 minus 18. So in this case, 18 minus 18 will be 0. So 18 minus 18 will go, and then we are left with x equals to 22 minus 18 is 4. So x equals to 4. Our answer is now x equals to 4 while y equals to 9. So this is the answer to the simultaneous equation. Validation. For the first expression, we have x over 6 plus y over 3. And we said that x is 4 and y is 9. So the common factor here will be 6. So we have 6. 6 in 6 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 3 in 6 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. So in that case, we say that 22 over 6. So our left hand side will be 22 over 6, while the right hand side is 22 over 6. So that is validated. And the second one is 2x over 3 minus 3y over 5. So in this case, we are saying that 2 times 4 over 3 minus 3 times 9 over 5. And again, the common factor is 15 here. So 3 in 15, that is 8 times 5. That's 3 in 15 will be 5 times 8. Then minus 3 times 7, 3 times 9 is 27, 27 times 5 in 15, that's 3. And this gives us 40 minus 81 over 15. 40 minus 81 over 15 will give us minus 41 over 15. So again, this is also validated. So our result will be x equals to 4 and y equals to 9. This is a way of solving simple simultaneous equation. Now there is a graphical method we can use as well, apart from elimination and substitution methods. And in another video clips, which I will put the link above, I solved that one as well, and you can refer to it to complement what we have done in elimination and substitution methods. I want to believe that you have gained one or two things in this presentation, and so if you find the video very useful, give us a thumb up, share with others, make comments. We want to hear from you. We want to hear any concerns you have, any question. Please put them in the comment section below, and then subscribe. Subscribe if you have not done so. There is a button, red button here in the bottom right corner. Please press that button to encourage us to be able to do more videos. And then, like I said, mathematics is very simple and you can get fun from it. So keep having fun. And lastly, until we meet next time, keep studying.